Welcome back, everybody, to Western Mass News. Lena Jakowski, Jordan McCool, and Taylor Jacobs holding down the fort. How much is too much? I only ask because of the rain.
Oh, I think it's too much. I think that's it.
It is. You know what? It's not unprecedented. It's not like it's never happened before, but this is very unusual, especially for the month of July.
My tomato plants are like 15 feet tall, I'm going to say right now.
I know, my grass is doing really well.
Yeah, you know,
sure.
I don't think I remember what the sun looks like at this point, and it's not looking like we'll see a whole lot of it this week either.
I thought you were just going to say today.
I thought so too. Wow, that's really just a damper.
You know, I wish I was tracking sunshine, but I am tracking more rain once again. Another first warning weather day, and that does bring the return of some flash flooding concerns. Keep in mind, it doesn't take much with all that rainfall we've seen recently. The ground is saturated. Rivers and streams are pretty close to flood level. So this is in effect for the entire region through 8 p.m. today. Now, taking a look at our Doppler radar, this is breaking apart a little bit right now, but the rain shield does look to intensify. We've got a lot of moisture. We've got a lot of upward motion, and that's going to keep showers heavy at times lingering throughout the morning hours. We had some periods of heavy rain pushing through Franklin County, a little bit more spotty in nature here down in Hampshire County, and a little bit of a lull down in Hampton County right now. But as you head through the day, in fact, take a look just out to our west in New York. This has prompted a tornado warning. So we're not expecting any severe weather here. We're not even expecting really a thunderstorm. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder. Overall, though, it's just a rain event for us. We will be seasonably cool, only getting into the 70s today and tomorrow. In fact, Berkshire's and Hilltown's higher terrain might not make it out of the 60s. Heading into the evening, we get back down into the 60s here, 50s perhaps in the hill towns and higher terrain. Lighter showers do linger, but they'll certainly be tapering off. We might see some patchy fog develop once again in the overnight hours. Let's time this all out for you on Futurecast. The heaviest does look to be in the morning hours. Pay less attention to the location and just the fact that it is going to be on and off throughout the morning. So a little bit of uncertainty in exactly where the axis of heavier rain does tilt right now, more so to our north. That's how things have been trending, but it could push a little bit farther south. So 1 to 2 inches of rain overall, and it's going to be relentless throughout the morning hours. The morning commute certainly a soggy one. We get to 9, 10 o'clock, still coming down pretty hard here, but the closer we get to lunchtime, things are going to begin to taper off. We still got showers in the vicinity, some of them potentially heavier at times, but it is going to be much more isolated in nature, and it does look to dry out as we get into the afternoon, at least here in Western Mass. So the evening commute, 5 o'clock, certainly looking much better than the morning one, but if you're heading out the door, grab that rain gear. You're going to need it for this morning. It does look like another batch of heavier rain looks to approach to our south, could bring some isolated strong to severe storms to parts of Connecticut, but in terms of our severe weather risk, it is remaining low for today. And as we head into the overnight hours, could see some more spotty shower nature in activity as we head into Tuesday, but overall Tuesday does look to be much drier. So 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, tack that on to what we've already got, and we could see localized higher amounts where those heavy downpours do line up or potential for a rumble of thunder. It does look to be confined mostly to the morning hours, so the forecast has stayed on track, but it did shift a little bit earlier with the rain starting a bit earlier yesterday. And then our main concern here is going to be flooding with the addition of all that heavier rainfall. Flash flood watch in effect through 8 p.m. Severe weather risk is low for us, so we're not really looking at damaging wind gusts, straight line winds, thunderstorms, anything like that. A little bit of an elevated risk the farther south you go, though, so something we'll be watching as we head into the afternoon and evening. Keep that rain gear handy. Chances for showers and storms throughout the week. Seasonably cool today and tomorrow, but then the heat and the humidity is back. Jordan and Taylor, to you.
All right, Lena, thank you for that.